What's happening, guys? Cars and Coffee back for another video. Today we got a U-joint replacement install. Got a new U-joint on there already. I didn't feel like getting all that grease and gas and chemicals on my head cam or phone, so didn't record this one. Had to take the drive shaft all the way off though. New U-joint, only like 30 bucks. Vance Auto. Clips, getting those clips. That was the hardest part. Got 4 clips, you gotta get those in and out. When you take that front, make sure you check the splines or in your front drive shaft. The output shaft for the transmission. And mark it too. I got mine marked so you can mark the splines back up when you put it back in. Don't just let this drive shaft hang. You want to put it on the jack, the rear, while you're putting the front on. You'll mess the teeth up. You're gonna need a C-clamp to get those caps in the U-joint in and out. Maybe a hammer, I don't know, depending on what tools you got. But you can always get them on loaner from auto parts store. Tap it with a hammer, make sure it's swiveling good. Don't lose any of those pins either. There's little pins inside these caps. Goes on the top of the U-joint. Don't lose your O-rings either. Some are gonna come with a grease hole so you can service it. Make sure that hole is pointed towards the drive shaft or you'll never be able to re-grease it. Keep this video short. I just want to give you guys an update. You don't always got to take your car to the mechanic or auto technician, man. A lot of stuff you can do yourself. You just got to be willing to get dirty. You got to have the parts to do it. Cars and Coffee, another DIY auto repair video.